Welcome to Pamukkwa Wealth Empire. Today, we're diving into an eye-opening concept from Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. He introduces the cash flow quadrant, illustrating the thin line between the rich and the poor. On one side, people work for money and security, while on the other, they work for freedom. Let's explore 8 assets that can make you rich and free you from ever having to work again. Have you ever wondered how entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg amassed their fortunes? It's not about Hollywood stereotypes. Building a successful business requires immense effort, dedication, and strategic thinking. Entrepreneurs pour their heart and soul into their ventures in the initial years, creating assets that generate passive income. Unlike employees who work their whole lives for a paycheck, entrepreneurs build something that sustains them and their families for generations. Starting a business isn't the only path to wealth. Real estate is another powerful asset. You might think buying property on an average salary is impossible, but Kiyosaki's concept of OPM, other people's money, changes that. By borrowing wisely, you can purchase rental properties that pay for themselves and provide a steady income stream. Over time, you can accumulate multiple properties, reducing your dependency on your job and moving closer to financial freedom. For those with limited time, investing in paper assets like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds is a practical option. By investing consistently and wisely, you can grow your wealth without the need to manage a business or properties. This approach demands disciplined spending and saving habits but offers a pathway to escape the 9-to-5 grind. Unlike paper money, commodities like gold, silver, oil, and agricultural products hold intrinsic value. These assets are essential for our daily lives and act as a hedge against inflation. Diversifying your investment portfolio with commodities can protect and grow your wealth, ensuring its value in times of economic instability. We've all heard time is money. It's true. Time is our most precious resource. Start investing young to harness the power of compound interest. Use your free time to upskill, start a side hustle, or pursue a passion. The earlier you start, the more opportunities you have to build substantial wealth and achieve financial freedom. Good health is fundamental to achieving your financial goals. Poor health habits can drain your finances through medical bills and lost productivity. Investing in your health through regular exercise and a balanced diet not only enhances your quality of life, but also ensures you're physically capable of pursuing your ambitions and enjoying your wealth. Creating online assets is easier than ever. Starting a YouTube channel, blog, or online course costs little to nothing, but can generate significant income. Share your knowledge and skills online. As your audience grows, so does your earning potential. You can even turn these online ventures into full-fledged businesses, opening multiple streams of passive income. Your network is your net worth. Building a strong network can lead to more opportunities and referrals, especially in business. Personal branding and goodwill are crucial. Deliver quality work and people will recommend you. A happy client can be your best marketing tool, exponentially growing your business and financial success. And there you have it. 8 assets that can transform your financial future and free you from the necessity of working forever. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Pamukkwa Wealth Empire, and check out our other personal finance videos. Thank you for watching, and remember, building wealth is about making smart, informed decisions. See you next time on Pamukkwa Wealth Empire.